Kejenglang jengka Kynhun Myntri kabla long haka arpratrik kulan kot arajar arpoar kalarai ban pha no shaka sarkar pedeng ye ke jeng mudah bedi bak amendment jong ke council konrat sama mitrang ba oleh thu ba kawini kini amendment kalong baka KGDC baka JCDC kindan saput ligisit haka ba life review kinde ke basujiet bat saw ke basuthung kat baka JCDC par kandan life arngot haka ba life ho kinde ke basujiet bat ar ke basuthung.
So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jhadc Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage.
Haka juga poro la Mynjur yaka Village Development Council kabandan haki Shnong haka ba kirang ba Shnong ni kisodar kinong chairman ki basuthung bat ki paket khat kindai ki basujiet.
Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashnong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected. But the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the or the head/headman. So these are the two recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days. And I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue.
Hakuri bagi kendon ka jinglon khot jeng ki wipat ki jai bin riu ki bam de ki trai jala konrat sangma oleh thu bala weng no yek de kendon hadin ka jingya selok bat ka Ministry of Home Affairs jong ka sarkar kini ikini ki jing anjing mon asalera chapo Delhi hakini ki si ke ban wan hakaba umri rang ba unai ru banyak keren ki kam khaput.